taking photos of the sunrise, I noticed a lot of activity on the water with one fishing boat after another leaving for the open waters of the lake.
We are hiking to the camp office.
Not actually hiking, walking.
Well, what is hiking?
Walking. And climbing.
So we're gonna get some kayaks, which is free rental here at this campground, and we're gonna kayak around the lake. Check you guys out later. Do you guys see Caroline behind us? Come on, Caroline. It's nice out here. Going back it's gonna be a lot easier. Hopefully.
Little did we know the RV park is holding the annual Crappie Fishing Contest. In the afternoon, our neighbors, who seemed to help organize the event, invited us to the potluck where they reveal the winners of the contest.
Lori! Go to the back of the line. Okay, guys, first of all, every year we have a lot of fun. Everybody seems to enjoy it, so good job, everybody. And first of all, I'd like to thank Pine Acres Resort, guys. I think we're all here for the same reason. We love this place. Yeah. Let's thank Don Lane and everybody else that helps run this place. We've had so many fish cleaners that it really made easy work. In past years, we had 3 guys that were working for 2 hours, fish after fish. So I'm not going to mention all the names, but thank you to everybody that cleaned fish. It sure made a big difference this year. So big hand for the fish cleaners. They're most improved because they were terrible last year. Come on up, you two.
Hey, you guys pulled in at 10 last
night. This year they're upright.
After the potluck, the same neighbors invited us to an early evening boat ride on the water. He showed the girls the bald eagle nest. It was a heartwarming experience for our family to be the recipients of such generosity and hospitality of the locals here.